So let's get started. Okay, so this is limit 1/4, just copy, and this is root over x. You can convert it x to the power half, and plus sign is just copy, and 2 is, if we take in 2 is here, there will be 1 by root over x. So if I convert it, it will be minus half. Okay, and then dx is just copy. Okay, now we're gonna integrate it with respect to x. Okay, so this is x, and this is power half, right? So power added to 1, and total things will be divided. Okay, and then plus is plus, and 2 is just copy, and then this is x minus half. So this power added to 1, and total things will be divided, and this limit 1/4 will be here. Since this is a definite integral, so that is why we don't need to add it constant. Okay, and then this is x, just copy. If we calculate it, it will be 3 by 2, right? And if we calculate it, it will be 3 by 2, and then plus is plus, and 2 is just copy. Okay, and then the x is here, this x is here, and if we calculate it, the total things will be half, and if we calculate it, it will be total things will be half, right? And then limit 1 to 4, right? And then this is divide sign, this is divide sign, right? So if I revise it, it will be 2 by 3. So we can write 2 by 3, and x 3 by 2 is just copy, and then plus so if this is divide sign, if we revise it, it will be 2 by 1 multiply this 2, and then x to the power half. Okay, this is 2, 1 and 4 limited. So now if we calculate it, total things, the result will be 26 by 3. Okay, so this is the result of this math. So thank you very much.